Hello there, Taylor with the Armageddon Report. Let's jump on over to the Northwestern Pacific where we've got Gaemi, who's made landfall. Here is the Vietnamese Weather Service webpage where if you run the translator amongst that you get, there's the original text. Texto original. That's in Spanish for some reason. Right, so it talks about winds and rain. Here is Cambodia's Meteorological Service, Department of Meteorology. And here's the Thai Meteorological Department. So wherever you're closest to or within, there's the resources that you should read if you're in those areas. I wonder if the satellite even stretches that far. Do we have a satellite for that? There you go. So not a whole lot of organization at this point, but so now it's all about probably rain and dropping rains everywhere. We've got a new area. Wait, I think it was here yesterday. That's right. So it's not new. Right. Anyway, medium chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 24 hours, but the spaghetti models are kind of crazy, aren't they? Who knows where this thing may go? It could go anywhere, might book around, just hang out for a bit. And then a new storm over in the eastern Pacific. Tropical Depression 15E, who will presumably take the name Tropical Storm Olivia, as it is predicted to become a tropical storm at some point. So, future Olivia right there. And then this one, an Invest 97AL, however, this thing doesn't have any kind of NHC outlook on it. So I don't know if there might be some kind of risk put on it. And, you know, it's the Invest stuff is like they see something interesting. I don't know who the they are, but somebody sees something interesting, I guess, on the satellite. So they start, you know, putting, I think they then, you know, designate here, we're going to have this satellite go hang out and monitor this thing. Because it looks like it's a disturbance. I don't know. Anyway, but right now, no NHC outlook on that. Right. Yes, it's winter. Here's a whole bunch of winter stuff, except for that. Red flag warnings, that'd be the fire conditions. But let's see all of the code things going on. The darkest of the dark blues is the hard freeze warning. And frankly, I don't remember the differences, but I think that was like the worst of the worst in terms of vegetation. Because I think it might have been a multi-day event. You know, freeze warning, I think might have been it's just going to freeze tonight. Hard freeze warning, I think it was going to freeze for at least 2 or 3 days or something in a row. And there will be vegetation loss. Right, then there's also freeze warning. So pretty sure hard freeze warning worse than freeze warning. Winter weather advisory, is that this? I don't know. Let's click on it and find out, shall we? Yes. Here's your winter weather advisory. So there's the purples there. And then we've also got frost advisory, which I believe is these, and freeze watch, and then all of the bluish, yes, that's the freeze warning. So lots of stuff going on, lots of wintry type things. And here's what I learned, I believe, last year. You know, you'd be seeing a whole bunch of freeze warnings up here, but like after they being the National Weather Service have issued like a certain number, or whatever the designation is, they stop warning on it because they figure all of the crops are already dead, I guess would be basically how it is. So, you know, because otherwise there'd be freeze warnings all winter long for some places, because any day that they, you know, stay under 32, it'd be freeze warning every single day. So basically, the point is, these types of things, the freeze-related warnings, not the winter weather advisory and the winter storm warnings, those are different, but the freeze-related things, the frost-related things, those are when it's newly become code. And you might not be aware that there's about to become codeness or something. Yes, here's what's going on in terms of the severe thunderstorm outlook. Apparently nothing. Green, I don't even know what the warning is for. Let's find out. Is it a flood warning? Yeah. It's a flash flood warning of some sort out here in Michigan. Wow, that's tiny. And that could even be when, like, a dam bursts or whatnot. That could cause a flash flood warning. So that might even be what that is. If you were to scroll down, yeah, dam failure, which sounds like I'm cussing. The dumped a failure. Anyway, yes, so basically in terms of severe thunderstorm news, absolutely nothing going on. It's all completely green. At least as of now. That's why you keep checking back, because, you know, things could change as the days roll around. Yes, severeweathertv.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane, CYCLOCANE.com. Let's go back over there. There we go. So that's it for today, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of your wonderful weekend.